Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video we're going to have a quick little mail time video, and I just wanted to take and shout out a couple people and tell them thank you for your kind and wonderful gifts that you have sent to me. So I got a few packages in the mail here recently. If you would like to send me something that you've been working on or anything like that, a letter, donations, anything like that, you can go to our P.O. Box. Our P.O. Box address is listed in the description down below, and you can just you can go over there if you have something to send, like these kind gentlemen do. Again, that's not an obligation at all, but people like to send me things from time to time, so I just figured I'd let you know that. So again, there's I would say it's a link, but basically it's just posted in the description down below. So go check that out if you're interested in getting in touch through the mail. So one of the things, first one that came in was from a Jeremy. He is an avid subscriber of our channel. Jeremy Lung, thank you very much for your donation here to the channel. This is just one of those things where he sent me something that he was working on and wanted to gift me something, and I wanted to take and say thank you. So I've already opened both these boxes. I already knew what they were, so it's not much of an unboxing video as much as it is just to say thank you for all your support and all of your care. So the first thing that we have is, and I'll bring you guys up close here in a second in the next scene, but we've got here a really nice and absolutely lovely handmade pin. Now, I personally love pins like this. They're great whenever you're going to, say, do any sort of sales, or you're trying to sign up an agreement and you hand it to a customer like, oh, wow, what a lovely pin. And people do notice things like that. It's that extra little bit of quality, and this is absolutely awesome. So thank you, Jeremy. I really greatly appreciate it, sir. Thank you so much for the awesome pin. Nice handmade pin. It's out of wood. I'm not sure what the wood is made up of. If Jeremy wants to say it down in the comment section down below, you can certainly do that and let everybody know what the actual wood is made from and how much work goes into making a handmade pin like that. Very awesome. Very cool. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So we're going to put that one away, and we're going to go ahead and open up this other one. By the way, receiving packages in the mail is kind of like a kid opening presents up on Christmas. You know, I really enjoy that myself. I don't know about you, but I really enjoy that. So the next package came from a Mr. Allan Schoonaertt. Now, I'll be having a video coming out where I'm using these and kind of doing a little bit of a review on these, but let's unbox them and figure out what Allan had sent me. So, Allan Schoonaertt, thank you. Once again, thank you for your craftsmanship. Again, Jeremy Lung, thank you for your craftsmanship as well. I greatly appreciate that. But what I've got in here is, look at that beauty right there. Look at that beauty. That is one really nice handmade mallet. He makes these. I was going to test them out and give him a little review on them and tell him what I thought. And if my thoughts are favorable, he is thinking about selling them. So look at that. Be on the lookout for that video. When I post that video, I will have a link to his contact information in there. If he gives it the go-ahead, I will drop his contact information in the description of that video. But again, man, that's just a potato masher right there. That is a great mallet. Feels comfortable in the hand already. See, look, I'm already starting my review. Again, I'll take and show you guys a close-up of these mallets here, and you guys can take a look there. But yeah, this is, again, just an awesome mallet. It's got one small end to it, a little smaller for a different size, and then a much broader end. I think that's going to really come in handy. And it feels like it's evenly balanced. Even though one end's been carved down a little smaller versus the other, it feels like it's very evenly balanced. So that's going to be awesome. So thank you for that one. And that's not all, folks. That's not all. We've got yet another one in here. And man, I tell you what, I am very blessed to have that. Thank you, Allan, so much for sending these. I really do greatly appreciate that. As most of you know, I do a lot, and I do mean a lot, of copper work, and these are absolutely excellent so far. and I plan on, again, giving them a kind of a full review what I do. Right off the bat, though, I could tell you that they are very high quality mallets, and would be, I'm thinking, are going to make a great addition to the forge for a great many years. Definitely better than any of the woodworking I can do. So yeah, so again, I'll show you a close-up of this one here, and you know, you guys can just see all the great effort in there. So thank you, Allan. Thank you so much, Allan Schoonaertt, for I believe it's Allan Schoonaertt. I know it's an Allan Schoonaertt. What am I talking about? Anyways, thank you for this. Again, like I said, it's got this small little rounded face, and it's got a slightly bigger face for doing different radiuses. And again, just greatly appreciate it. So thank you so much for that. Well, thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and comment down below what you thought. And as always, if you'd like to support the content on this channel, the best thing you can do to be a channel sponsor is to share these videos around with your friends if you find them helpful. Share one of my videos that you found helpful with your friends. That always helps us grow here at Centered Ironworks, and we do greatly appreciate that. So without further ado, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.